What's up, sisters? I'm going to turn this space into this. I'm Nicolette with Lovely Adventures & Co. and this is my DIY channel. I'm really excited to take this next step into creativity, and I want to start with this patio makeover. So let's get to it. So I already have quite a few things for this space, including this umbrella, which has some bird crap on it, but I'm going to get rid of the vase anyways. I have this pot that I'm going to use. I'm thinking I'm going to pour concrete with like a PVC pipe and use it to hold this because I live in Southeast Texas. So it is 1,000 degrees all the time. I have this tire that I don't know how I'm going to use quite yet, but my husband brought it off of his car, and I don't know, maybe it'd make like a cool footrest or something. Oh, there's water in it. Cool. I don't know how to get it out. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. This chair, my mother-in-law got it for me for Christmas because she's really nice. Another chair. I have this dog, very cute, matches the whole color scheme I have going on. Nala, say hi. Say hey. Okay, cool. And I have this table. But I still need quite a few things at the hardware store. So let's get out of the heat and go do that. So oh, the light is green. I'm heading to my neighborhood Home Depot. And I'm thinking I might go to Joann's. I'll put a little inspo pickup of what I'm kind of thinking. I might get some fabric to drape over the umbrella. I saw something and it looked kind of nice and flowy, and it helped block the sun whenever it's not directly overhead, and I thought it was really pretty. So if I find really cheap fabric, I'll do it, and if I don't, then I won't do it. Yeah, I like that.
I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how I changed.
Okay, so the idea is to get these and painter's tape and tape off squares to make like a diamond tile pattern, because I've spray painted on my concrete a billion times. It's been 3 years and the paint's still there. So I think I'm just gonna go for it and try it. Maybe elevate our backyard just a little bit. Should I just do primer? I kind of want to. Okay, I'm gonna get both and I'm gonna test them and see which one I like more.
I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. 'Cause all we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why.
I didn't realize how heavy it
You
would be.
remember that
Sorry.
night we
Thank
met?
you. I think I just need one.
Thought you looked so fine. Guess we have to agree to disagree for this one last time. Pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos. I wasn't looking out for you, I'm sorry, I'm so shallow. But I'm still looking forward to watching part 2 of Deathly Hallows with you.
Well, that's fair. I don't know how people film in their car. Like, where do you put it? But anyways, so I got my fabric. 60% off. of this beautiful, like, it almost kind of looks like a chiffon. It's so pretty. And I got it 60% off for like last chance. I spent $36 in total on it for 6 yards. So that's like roughly $6 a yard, which I thought was pretty dang good. And the idea is to kind of drape it over the umbrella to create extra shade. I might need to sew some magnets or something into the bottom of it so it'll kind of weigh it down and I can connect it to the umbrella if I need to. That's kind of what I was thinking. I don't know. The lady said I can return it if I really need to, as long as it's not damaged. So we'll just be really careful. But yeah, so let's go home and start it out. Got my stuff. I'm thinking I want the tiles to be about 1 yard squares, and I want it to be like a diamond shape. We have the garage that lines here and kind of creates like a cutoff space. So I'm going to create a line of tape there first, and then I'm going to use this to make a bunch of little diamond shapes, and then we'll get to spray painting. Never mind, I lied. I don't refuse to wear shoes anymore. Oh my God, it's hot.
Ocean blue, I came home for you. Cut my hair in the dress that you wear.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna try the tan. I'm just gonna bring it back. And it's hot. The humidity makes it feel like over 100 degrees. So I'm just gonna show you guys what the end result looks like. And now for the best part, peeling off the tape. ASMR. Do you have anything to say about it, Nala? Okay, great. This obviously isn't working.
I'll be waiting while you're not alone. You know me, I won't be surprised if you leave. I'll wear a disguise. Darling, don't you wait for me.
Not to be dramatic or anything, but oh my God, this looks so good. Ah! I know I should let it dry. I really want to put the rest of my furniture on there. What do you think, Nala? What do you think? What do you think?
Ocean blue, I come home for you. Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Won't you leave now? It's my time to go.
Okay, so I'm so excited. It looks really good. I'm having like a minor aneurysm, stroke, myocardial infarction. I don't know. I'm having a heart attack. It looks fantastic. It's been on my mind for a long time. I really like the kind of checkerboard look, and it's really nice. And for the price that I did it to, that's the best part. But I'm really excited. It looks really good. I've let it cure for a day, and I've also let everything, all the concrete in here, cure, and I've scooched it over. So now I'm just gonna add everything to it, and we're gonna start the rest of the pretty progress. I'm so excited. Is it gonna hit me? Nope. Okay. Cool. Not doing much right now, but if I add a tilt, very nice. I'm gonna have to fix that. I wanted to cover the remaining space within the flower pot with a little bit of actual greenery, but something that would also be beneficial to the area. So I went by our local plant nursery and I picked up a couple of different pieces that I thought would be really cool. This one, I think it's called an Angelina. Angelina. I think. I don't know. I just thought it was really pretty and it was on sale. But I did pick up something more practical, which is citronella, and it's supposed to completely ward off mosquitoes. I use citronella candles pretty often and actually bought one for the space, as well as another one that we use for camping pretty often. But I wanted to get a plant and try that out, and hopefully it'll live in the heat. It's a little unpredictable, but I'm going to try it. And then my mother had her garden completely overflowing with basil. I mean, it's completely taken over the whole space. So I picked up a few little pieces. It's wilted a little bit. Maybe I can bring it back to life. I don't really have the greenest of thumbs, but I picked that up and I'm going to use a skill saw and just cut this piece of wood to create the perfect size space to put some soil on top of. So I'm going to do that.
And I don't care if I got much at all here in this small town. 'Cause in the end we're all buried deep inside the same hole in the ground.
Okay, so this is a big time silly goose moment on my part. I did not realize that my microphone was not on. So this entire clip is just me talking about these solar lights that I got from the dollar store and this cute little fan from Amazon, which is wonderful and it helps keep flies off your food. But anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and skip to the part where I stick the lights in the ground.
If you leave out a disguise, darling, don't you wait for me. Tonight I won't be coming home for tea.
So Zach is gone for the evening, but I get to enjoy my hard work with a smoothie and a book. Thank you so much for tagging along for this video. I've never done anything like this before, so this has been a lot of fun and I'm really excited to share it with everyone. Like and subscribe and I'll see if I make more. Bye guys.